Yeah. Yeah.
Edited by Flick C.
I would dust it. My jeans, my shoes, that's weight. I'm keen, I'm cool, you lame. Make 10,000 today. That is minimum wage. My jeans, my shoes, that's weight. I'm keen, I'm cool, you lame. Make 10,000 today. That is minimum wage. I got a flight to Mumbai for the weekend. All you niggas fell off, you ain't in season. Describe her top, well, it was decent. My just spaz in a Benz, boy, I'm tweaking. Holy shit, I'm tweaking. Holy shit, I'm tweaking. Do my dance, nigga, for no reason. Special bed, just for the weekend. Never out here sleeping, doing while you eating. Now I'm in main stage, fucking on a bad hoe. That's enrichment for all you niggas that don't know. Several women keep lining up at my shows. While they tripping, they don't even got iPhones. It smell like rich in here, it smells like bitch in there. It smells like motherfucking sex, drugs, and hits in here. They're riding thick and we lit in here. Probably by the fucking leader, it's a tech in here. Now holla, let me check my Motorola. Also fucking Coco while I'm sipping Coca-Cola. Barely got the flow, and I tipped the bottle Nova. Things inside my soda can induce symptoms of coma. She a stupid slut, I fuck her harder for the sofa. Had to rub her up, I'm not trying to be pushing strollers. Then I take a flight all the way to Nova. Diamonds on my face, diamonds on my hoes. Me and my homies pop a pussy like a gushy up. Pop some scripts and sing the bitches like I'm Usher up. My mullet stack up and your boyfriend is a sucker up. Don't get it twisted, I'm from Indiana, Pakistan. My jeans, my shoes, that's weight. I'm keen, I'm cool, you lame. Make 10,000 today. That is minimum wage. My jeans, my shoes, that's weight. I'm keen, I'm cool, you lame. Make 10,000 today. That is minimum wage.